Hey guys, welcome back to another baking slash cooking vlog, and today we're going to be doing a recipe that's relatively easier than the strawberry mochi one that I've made. So you only need like 4 ingredients and we'll be making 3 types of chia puddings today. So let's get started. So the first type of chia pudding we're going to make is the blueberry and vanilla one. So the ingredients you will be needing are oat milk, of course blueberries, and you'll also be needing chia seeds and vanilla extract. So we're going to start with the blueberry and vanilla chia pudding. So in a blender, you need to add 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of blueberries, a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and last but not least, you need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we just blend it. So So now you can just pour your chia pudding into a glass. So you can add some excess blueberries to decorate. And since the consistency is pretty thick, it will just stay on top. And now we should be able to add this blended chia pudding inside the fridge for overnight. So the ingredients for the tropical mix are some coconut milk, of course chia seeds, some sliced mango, and maple syrup. So the reason why I just bought sliced mangoes instead of fresh mangoes is because it's really hard to find fresh mangoes in New Zealand, so I just bought these instead. But if you have mangoes in your country, then you can obviously use that as well. Okay, so for the tropical mix, you need 1 cup of coconut milk, so you need half a cup of mango, and last but not least, you need to add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. And now you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, but I feel like 1 teaspoon of maple syrup isn't enough, so I'm just gonna add 2. So now we can just blend it, and I really have a good feeling about this because anything goes well with mango. Trust me, guys. It's gonna be so good. So since the consistency is way more thicker than the blueberry one, I'm just gonna scoop it out because we use coconut milk instead. But look at how beautiful this is. It hasn't even been chilled yet. It looks so beautiful. So like they do in like these reels, I'm just gonna like layer it because it's gonna look so cool. So now we can just layer it with the rest of the chia pudding. So now I'm just gonna top it off with some of the remaining mango I have left. So like I can already tell this is gonna be my favorite. This is gonna be my bias. So this is a biased opinion though, because I love mango way more than anything. So let's just chill it along with these other beauties here too. And coincidentally, the last chia pudding we're going to be making is strawberry choco, like strawberry mochi. So the ingredients you'll be needing are some oat milk, hence the name, chocolate powder, or cocoa powder, whatever it's called, some chia seeds, and I think it's already obvious, guys. Strawberries! So now, for the ingredients of the strawberry cocoa, you need 1 cup of oat milk. You need half a cup of strawberries, a 1/4 cup of chia seeds as usual, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of cocoa, but I'm gonna use 2, just because I'm like a sweet tooth. And now we should be able to blend this. So now we can pour this into a glass. So now we can add the toppings on top of it. And not gonna lie, this actually looks promising. Like, I think this would be the second best. The first best would be mango, and then the second best would be strawberry. And the third best would be blueberry. That's just my prediction though. And now, deja vu. The most daunting part is putting it in the fridge and not knowing how it will be like. So I'll just put it in here. The rest of my beauties here. So let's see after overnight. So it's been a few hours since I put them in. It's actually recommended to like leave it overnight, but I don't really mind leaving it for a few hours. So let's check up on them. So these are the final results, and they actually came out so good. Like, they really look healthy, nutritious, and like you can just eat them for breakfast or anything. So thank you so much for watching this video on how to make chia puddings and stuff. And I'll see you next week. But we need to test it out. So I'm curious. Wait. That's good, actually. Wow. So now we gotta save the best for last, but let's try the presumably second best to last. It's really similar with this one actually. That's good. And now the long-awaited mango chia pudding. That's a winner. That's a winner. That's a winner by Conan Gray. That's so good. I'm not biased at all. Like, you can genuinely taste the mango in here. Like these, no offense, but like these two, actually, you can't really taste it. But I think I put more mango here, but coconut milk is really good with mango, so that's why. I think that's partially the reason too. That's a winner by Conan Gray. Oh my gosh. That's so good.